Tesla is often synonymous with high-end, luxury renewable technology, but their solar panel business can be a bit confusing. The company got into the solar industry in 2016 with the goal of streamlining solar panels and battery storage manufacturing. And today, we are breaking down Tesla home solar roof and solar panels. Alright, first of all, one of the biggest issues people have with the solar panel is how they look. Back in 2016, the CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, announced Tesla Energy's new product, the Tesla Solar Roof. Tesla offers two solar products: conventional solar panels, which are installed over a customer's existing roof, and the solar roof, which replaces the current roof slats with ones capable of soaking up the sun's rays and transforming them into energy. The solar roof is designed to look like asphalt, slate, and Spanish barrel tiles to fit the style of each home. The solar roof was designed to function as photovoltaic solar panels while seamlessly integrating into a roof. This way, homeowners could still enjoy the benefits of solar energy without having to worry about sacrificing their home's aesthetic. The solar roof shingles are made of tempered glass tiles, which resemble the look of slate roofs. A Tesla solar roof contains both active and inactive shingles. The active shingles contain solar cells to produce solar power for the home to use. The inactive shingles act as regular shingles to protect the home and provide a uniform look. The active solar roof shingles are made of tempered glass tiles, and the inactive tiles are made of painted steel. And both are designed to mimic the look of conventional slate roofing tiles. Each roof tile measures 15 by 45 inches and comes with a 25-year warranty. The durability of Tesla's solar roof tiles is reflected by their high fire rating and ability to handle 1.75-inch diameter hail and wind speeds up to 166 miles per hour. So, how does it work? A solar panel system is made up of three basic parts: solar panels, an inverter, and a solar gateway. Solar panels capture the sunlight hitting your roof and convert it into electricity. A solar inverter connected to your solar panels converts this electricity into clean energy that can power the lights and appliances in your home. The solar energy powering your home decreases the amount of energy you need to draw from the grid, lowering your electricity bill. Your solar gateway captures your system's information and allows you to monitor your energy production through the Tesla app. When the sun is shining, the power that is generated by the solar system on your roof will flow into your home's electric panel. As your system generates more power than your home can immediately consume, your electric meter will reflect as such. Some utility meters will stand still, while bidirectional meters will spin backward when solar energy is powering your home. Your electric bill will show zero usage during that time. During a sunny summer day, solar panels may produce more power than your home needs. At that time, your solar system will be fully powering your home, and all the excess power will flow backward through your electric meter, where it will be consumed by other houses and businesses connected to the grid. At the end of October 2019, Tesla launched the Solar Roof V3, the most recent iteration of the solar roof tiles. Unlike its predecessors, the new Tesla Solar Roof product comes in one style and consists of fewer parts. Elon Musk was confident that the rollout of the new solar tiles would be the best tiles made yet. The company planned to ramp up production at their Gigafactory in Buffalo, New York, and partner with local installers to help deploy more solar roofs than they had in the past. But a little over a year later, Musk is actually eating his word, admitting that the company has made some significant mistakes with their solar roof project in Tesla's Q1 2021 call. Musk said Tesla has ran into trouble assessing the difficulty of certain roofs, and said that the complexity of roofs varies dramatically. If an existing roof has protuberances or problems with the underlying structure or is not strong enough to hold Tesla's solar tiles, then the cost can be 2 or 3 times higher than Tesla's initial estimates, Musk said. Tesla is refunding customers' deposits if they don't want to pay the price increase, Musk said. Musk unveiled the Tesla solar roof in 2016 on the set of Desperate Housewives. At the time, he was trying to acquire Solar City, a solar energy company formed by his cousins. Musk was also chairman of Solar City at the time. And the roofs he showed off at the event were not fully working, and Musk allegedly had said prototypes of the tiles were a piece of shit. Still, the vision for the solar roof, replacing regular roof shingles with photovoltaic tiles, still could collectively capture even more of the sun's energy than traditional solar panels. And storing that energy in Tesla's Powerwall home battery was crucial to the merger he wrote in his second master plan for Tesla. We can't do this well if Tesla and Solar City are different companies, which is why we need to combine and break down the barriers inherent to being separate companies. That they are separate at all, despite similar origins and pursuit of the same overarching goal of sustainable energy, is largely an accident of history. Now that Tesla is ready to scale Powerwall and Solar City is ready to provide highly differentiated solar, the time has come to bring them together, he wrote. Things started to take a turn for the solar roof in March of 2021 when Tesla updated its solar roof pricing, making it more expensive than before. They kept the cost per watt of solar the same, but the cost of the inactive tiles went up and varied based on the complexity of a homeowner's roof. Then, just a month later, Tesla changed solar roof prices yet again. Now, instead of paying $9.75 per square foot for a simple roof, the price jumped to $14 per square foot for a simple roof. For a complex roof, you can expect to shell out over $19 per square foot. Actually, not only did Tesla up their pricing for new solar roof installations, but people who have already signed contracts are now getting notified that their solar roof will now cost more. After all, how much does it cost? Tesla's active solar roofing tiles cost $2.01 per watt. The cost of the inactive shingles varies based on the complexity of your roof, which is determined by the pitch, the number of obstructions on your roof, and other features. There are actually 3 roof complexity choices on Tesla's website. 1. Simple, which costs $13 per square foot. 2. Moderate, which costs $16 per square foot. And 3. Complex, which costs $19.24 per square foot. The actual cost of a Tesla solar roof will depend on the size of your home and your monthly energy usage. It may also change again after the Tesla design team does a remote inspection of your roof complexity and figures out the logistics of your specific system. Some customers, for example, may be required to upgrade their electrical panel for almost $5,000. The Tesla solar roof is technically cheaper per watt than a conventional solar system. However, because the solar roof also includes a total roof replacement, the overall cost is much more expensive. In April, Tesla started to offer free Powerwalls to people who received big price increases on solar roof projects that were already under contract. Several Tesla solar roof prospective buyers who had received the price increase have confirmed that Tesla has contacted them to offer a free Powerwall. Tesla representative wrote in the email sent to customers, "Thank you for your continued support. We'd like to offer you one Powerwall at no additional charge when you proceed with your solar roof installation." Those customers had received price hikes between $9,000 and $12,000, which is not on the highest side of the price increase spectrum that customers experienced. Tesla recently stopped selling the Powerwall without it being attached to a solar roof or solar panel project. But before the change, the company was listing the Powerwall at $7,500. The gateway and installation cost would increase the price to $12,000. But that's for just installing the Powerwall. It is a little cheaper to install at the same time as a solar installation. And later, it was announced that their solar products will only be sold together with Powerball batteries. Integrating them into a single product will make installations easier and home backup more seamless during outages, according to Musk. The change will affect both Tesla's solar panels, which sit on top of an existing roof, and Solar Roof, which replaces a home's existing roof slats. The new policy was announced just hours after Musk responded to a tweet from ARK Investment Management's Director of Research, Brett Winton, who had complained that his Tesla solar panels hadn't generated any electricity since installation because he was waiting on his local utility company to approve the connection. What do you think about Tesla's solar roof panels? Let us know in the comments down below. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss a video from us. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video, and thanks for watching.